Good morning. My name is Lady Arteaga. I am studying English. I always get up at 6 o'clock. Normally breakfast at 7:30 a.m. I usually work at home in the morning. Often I have lunch at 1 p.m. After that, occasionally take a break. Sometimes I go out at 2:30 p.m. to drink a milkshake with my mom. I never go to the gym, but I frequently exercise at home. Normally, I prepare dinner at 6 p.m. Then usually at 8 o'clock, I watch TV. I always review the homework I have for the next day. I usually go to bed at 10 p.m. Thank you.